Most people think early direct deposit is just a bonus feature, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming your paycheck will always arrive early. Because in reality, it depends on your employer, your bank timing, and how the system processes payments. In this video, we are breaking down how Cash App Direct Deposit early works in 2026, and what actually determines when you get paid. Let's start with the basics. Cash App Direct Deposit is a feature that lets you receive your paycheck directly into your Cash App balance, instead of a traditional bank account. The yearly part means you might get paid up to 2 days sooner than your scheduled payday. Now here's where it gets interesting. Early direct deposit does not mean Cash App is paying you early. It simply means the system processes your employer's payroll file faster than traditional banks in some cases. Let's break it down, step by step. First, your employer sends payroll information to their bank. That bank then communicates with the payment network. Cash App receives the deposit once the funds are released. Users like Alex often notice that their paycheck appears before the official payday, but this only happens when the payroll file is sent early by the employer. Now here's the problem most people misunderstand. If your employer delays payroll submission, no app in the world can speed it up. Cash App can only process what it receives. Second factor is banking speed. Cash App partners with banking systems that sometimes release funds as soon as they receive confirmation of payment. That is what creates the yearly deposit effect. Third factor is consistency. If Jake gets paid at the same time every 2 weeks, the system learns the pattern, which can sometimes improve predictability, but not guarantee early timing. Now, let's talk about setup. To use direct deposit, you need your Cash App routing and account number. You give this to your employer or payroll provider, and they handle the rest. Once set up, deposits go straight into your Cash App balance automatically. Now here's where it gets important. Early direct deposit is not guaranteed. It can vary depending on weekends, holidays, and payroll processing delays. So while some users see early payments regularly, others may see normal timing. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to check if your direct deposit is set up correctly and working as expected. Now let's simplify everything. Cash App Early Direct Deposit works by receiving payroll files sooner and processing them quickly through partner banks. It does not change your actual payday, but it can change when the funds become available. Let's summarize clearly. Cash App Direct Deposit in 2026 can help you get paid earlier, but only if your employer sends payroll on time and the banking network processes it early. It is fast, convenient, and reliable, but not guaranteed for every paycheck. If this helped you understand how early direct deposit works, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.